How to enable or disable headphone notifications. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to enable or disable headphone notifications. Now let's get started. First we need to open our settings. Then we should scroll down and find option Sounds and Haptics and tap on it. In appearing menu we need to find option Headphone Safety and click on it as well. Now you can see option Headphone Notifications at the top. If you want to receive notifications about how loud your music is, you should switch on option Headphone Notifications. If you want to know more information about headphone notifications, you can tap on Learn More below. And that's all. It was how to enable or disable headphone notifications. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.